Hello everyone, today I will show you how to do a full glam look. And I'm starting with using Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Daily Exfoliating Pads, and I'm just exfoliating my face and also my lips. And after that I'm taking Lancome Genifique Eye Use Activating Eye Concentrate, and I'm just applying it with my fingers under my eyes. For hydration, I'm using L'Oreal Hydra Genius, and this is a lightweight gel moisturizer that I like so much for hydrating my skin. For my lips, I'm starting with Versace Rose Gold Elixir, and I'm just applying it with my fingers all over my lips. And on top, I'm applying Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss as my lip balm. And after that, I'm starting with a primer, and today I'm using Guerlain L'Or Primer. It has 24 karat gold, and I really like this primer, and I'm just applying it with my fingers all over my face. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty FauxFilter Foundation in a shade Toasted Coconut, and this is my all-time favorite full glam foundation. It covers absolutely everything, and I'm using damp beauty blender, and I'm just blending it all over my face. So you can see it gives truly full coverage, it covers everything, and it does has a matte finish. And if you have normal or dry skin, I do recommend to use any oil or hydrating primer underneath. And now it's time to highlight and contour my face, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in Light. And I'm starting with the shades Neutral and Banana that I mixed together, and I'm just applying it with my damp beauty blender to highlight underneath my eyes and also my chin, my nose and my forehead. So now I'm taking Artis Oval 4 brush, and I'm also taking shade Havana from the same palette, and I'm starting to contour my face, and I'm starting with contouring my cheeks and also underneath my chin, as well as I'm really working to sharp that chin. And then I'm taking Morphe E47 brush, and I'm starting to working on my nose contour. I really like that it gives me a very precise thin line, so I'm just drawing two lines and connecting them with my brows. After that, I'm applying more contour to my forehead, and then with the damp beauty blender, I'm just starting to blend in all of my highlighting shades first. And don't really pull the shade, just press it into your skin and blend it out. For my under eyes, I'm starting with Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector that I'm just applying with my fingers. I really like its creamy formula, and it works magic for brightening your under eyes. After that, I'm taking Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid in a shade Peach, which is great to color correct those dark circles. I'm just blending both shades together with a damp beauty sponge. Don't drag it out, just really press it. And for my concealer, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in shade 02, which is creamy neutral, and I'm just applying it under my eyes, and also I'm going on the side of my nose as well as sharpening that edges of my eyeshadow. And this is a great way to work on those outer corners to make them very clean and also very sharp. And then I'm taking the same damp beauty blender, and I'm blending out that concealer. And after that, I'm starting blending all of my contour shades. So I'm starting with my forehead, and then I'm going into my cheeks, and after that my chin. So I'm really pressing it into my skin. I don't drag it, especially when you're blending that cheek contour. Don't drag it down. If you do, drag it better upwards, but never drag it down. And also really blend it and take your time and just press it into your skin. Then I'm doing the same with my nose, so I'm just blending the contour, and I'm using the more pointy side for more precise blending and helping out to blend that thin line. And then I'm taking Morphe M438 brush, and with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, I'm just setting that concealer. And with a bigger, fluffier brush by Morphe, I'm just setting all my face with that powder, because we will not be applying any cream products anymore. So after that, I'm taking Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer and MAC Cosmetics brush number 168, and I'm starting applying that bronzer where I applied all of my cream contour contour just to emphasize my cheeks and my forehead and also underneath that jawline. And also don't forget to apply it to your neck as well. And for my highlighter, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing highlighter that I will be applying with a Morphe M518 brush. And you can see how beautiful this glow is. I really love this highlighter. So I'm just applying it on the top of my cheekbones and slightly going on the side of my forehead. And you can see you can really lay it out to create the glow that you want to achieve. And I'm also applying it with my finger to my cupid bows, as well as to the center of my nose and also to the tip of my nose. And then with the Morphe E36 brush, I'm just applying it to my inner corners as my inner corner highlight and also underneath my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. And for my blush, today I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radium and a Morphe G35 brush. And I'm just applying it to the apple of my cheeks. And for my lips, I use Huda Beauty Contour and Strobe Lip Set in the shade Muse and Angelic. And I have a separate video showing you how to contour your lips using this set, so I'll be linking it down in my description box. And also, if you want to see a video of this eye makeup, you can check out my description box. I'll be putting this video as well out there. I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette for it. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more tips, makeup tutorials, and also product reviews. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!